Hello guys, welcome back to our channel at Ace Electricals. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. The role of this switch. This switch has got many roles that many people are not aware of. When you turn it clockwise, it turns the iron on and the light comes on. And then when you turn it anti-clockwise, it minimizes the heat and it turns off the light. It turns off the iron if you go further, and the light will come off. With this the very same switch, you are able to select the type of material or the type of cloth that you're ironing. So if you're, for instance, you're ironing a wool material, you can choose. There's an arrow that you align with. You align wool with the arrow, or silk or nylon. So it minimizes and it also maximizes the heat. So if you feel that the amount of heat is not efficient when you're ironing, try to switch this switch on, turn it further to the clockwise or to the right. It will increase the amount of heat, and then you'll be able to make your ironing more efficient. Thank you guys for joining us in this episode. Your support is highly appreciated. If you need assistance with your product, please comment below. Remember, at Ace Electricals, we offer the following services. We sell brand new appliances and electronics. We buy and resell. We do repairs. We educate people on how to use appliances effectively and efficiently. If you want to participate in growing this channel, please subscribe, like, comment and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.